Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is my sister Stephanie, and along with our mom, the Lady Monarch, we own and run Harmony Harvest Cut Flower Farm in the beautiful Shenandoah Valley of Virginia, where we grow specialty cut flowers and ship them nationwide. Today on our series, DWI, Designing with an Idiot, we're going to go over our holiday DIY box, which includes a sleeve of our seasonal dried flowers fresh off the farm, dog approved.
Dog approved.
And a sleeve of our beautiful assortment of holiday greens. I love the holidays.
Me too. Presents.
Yeah.
Cake.
And decorating.
Yes. Decorating. So I decorated.
The rubber band just hit me in the head.
I mean, it is, what do they call it, a workplace hazard?
I guess.
I decorated, I'm one of those people, I guess now, that decorated my entire house before Thanksgiving. I'm not normally like that, but this year I just said, forget it. I'm doing it. So I've been decorated since before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but I think that if ever there was a year to really decorate and appreciate our home, it would be this year.
Yes.
And so I think it's really good to continue to kind of layer on those decorations right now and help make our homes feel festive and bring us joy. And one way we can do that is to incorporate some of the seasonal fauna that we have found this year for decorating. And so we have a beautiful collection of greens here.
What's in there? Like, this is holly.
That's holly. We have a little bit of boxwood. There's pine. There's fir. There's just a really good assortment.
Okay. So Jess was gonna, when we talked about this, Jess was like, well, I'm just gonna talk about all the ways you can decorate your house. And I was like, so we're not making anything? And she's like, well, I mean, and I'm like, oh, I'm making something. So I found this box. And while she tells you all about the ways you can decorate your house, I'm gonna cut stuff up and do something.
Well, and I think it's really great
I have snips. Weren't there like bolt cutters around here somewhere? Right here. They're not bolt cutters. They're needle nose pliers. But we're gonna make it work.
Good job. All of the snips are busy making
You may continue.
So one of the really nice parts about decorating at the holidays with our holiday DIY box here is that none of this really needs to be in water. The dried flowers and the greens are going to be just fine without the inclusion of water, which means you can decorate really anything. And this is a really easy way to get the whole family involved and maybe sprucing up the house a little bit. Snipping off small bits from these greens actually is a wonderful way to provide some aromatherapy in your house with natural.
They do smell delicious.
Isn't it wonderful? Yeah. It just smells like the holidays.
I was going to ask if I needed to put water in this here box.
No, but you can totally put a little sprig in the bathroom. It screams holiday. Beside your bedside table. You can tuck these into your Christmas tree if you're using an artificial tree to give it a little bit of that soft, soft set. We made up a bunch of these Advent boxes this year, and they are beautiful. One of these sits actually on my dining room table, and this is done out of water. We added a few pine cones, a few candles. If you have candles in the drawers, pull those out. And this is an easy way to get the whole family involved in decorating for the holidays.
Yeah, I'm totally involved in this. I don't know what I expected.
It looks great.
Okay, good.
So if you have a few ornaments that maybe you don't trust on the tree or they've lost the ability to hang, nesting them into the greenery is an awesome way of...
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we have a lot of those sentimental mementos, I guess, that...
Here's a memo. I got
Post-its. I've got a lot of sentimental Post-its.
Good.
Well, but those little mementos that we keep at the holidays, but we're not really sure how to use them, including them with some seasonal product like the greenery or the dried flowers is a great way.
Yeah, and I like the mixed greenery too.
I know. It adds a nice touch.
I just want everyone to know what my method is here.
Break it off. Shove it in.
I'm going to start with greenery, but then I'm gonna put some of this.
So let me look here. This is one of our dried flower bouquets. I'm going to unband it here. It gives you a nice sampling of different dried flowers off the farm. You know, and maybe you hadn't thought about decorating with dried flowers at the holidays, but it is a great way of incorporating a little bit of nature. A lot of these have a more neutral palette, so they work actually quite well in your holiday designs. I mean, this burgundy straw flower. Wow.
It's
Isn't that
really
beautiful?
pretty.
It's
Yeah,
very
that's
pretty.
really pretty.
So light touches of that red, maybe you're looking for that to include, but you're not limited to how these naturally look. I encourage you to think outside the box. I actually took one of our bouquets and went to the local hardware store, picked up a couple of cans of spray paint in holiday colors, and I wanted to show you what that looked like on some dried flowers. So here we have same bouquet, spray painted with a little bit of silver. So if you're looking for that silver and gold, spray painting some dried flowers is actually a really neat way of getting a bit of that glitz and glam tucked into your designs. You know, here is gold. If you're looking for gold touches, and you can be as intense with the spray paint as you want. You can give it a light dusting of color, or you can go ahead and just coat that puppy.
See, I wish I would have taken a look at what the heck you had going on over there.
I know, how cool is this? Here is rose gold, which is really pretty, and in these grass plumes, which Steph likes to call Fraggle Rock.
Yeah, because if you ever saw Fraggle Rock, remember their hair? That's really nice.
Pretty, isn't
That's
it?
very nice.
You guys. So, yeah, think
crazy.
about different ways that you can kind of expand on the dried flowers as they come to make them feel more seasonally inspired. If you've got a color theme going on with your holiday decor in your home, you can add touches of that to the dried flowers just with some spray paint.
I dig that.
I know, pretty cool, huh?
I dig it.
And check out the sunflower that I did in silver. How pretty is that?
That doesn't go with. I'm now mad.
I know, now you're very natural. But
Now
look
I'm
at that.
mad. Oh, y'all know I like to put the Fraggle Rock and everything, so it's got to go in this.
Hey, hand me that ornament over there. You know, there's
There it
lots of
is.
other things that you
these are
can
so
do
fun.
with dried flowers. This is a product that I actually coined this for my children, and then we started doing this at our holiday market. We offer this every year. It's a simple, clear, fillable glass ornament. And inside it has some dried flowers, which are really beautiful, a little bit of glitter, so it has that holiday magic, and actually some celosia seeds. And we put a tag on here for the flower lovers that this is our own reindeer flower food. So you can sprinkle this out to attract your reindeer in, and in the spring, the magic of Christmas continues with
Looking good.
the seedlings that'll germinate. So how cool, you can sprinkle some of your dried flowers into ornaments to hang on your tree. You can even tuck in the bunches as is. Gives a totally different look. That's really actually very
I did
pretty.
a great job here.
You should take that home.
And I just did it. Well, yeah, it's covered in paint. This box, I didn't pick
I
the
like
best
that.
one.
Actually,
How
can I put
cute.
it on my table?
Yeah, you can have it.
No, I really do like it.
That's fine. You can have it. I
You know,
know.
there's some other-
I'm here for y'all. Okay.
You're here for me today.
Yeah, you're right.
That's very lovely.
I'm telling you, y'all better watch out. The more of these we do, the more I'm
The
just
better she gets
gonna
at
take
it. And then
Jess's
she gets
job.
brave, and then she
I know. I don't even have her instructing me today. I'm just doing it.
looks
doing
really
it.
good. Hand me the stocking.
Oh yeah, these are really cute too. I'm not in the frame anymore. I should get down. Okay, these are really cute. We put our sticker sets on them, but so here was the. Should we tell them the story of why we made these?
What? Sure, we've opened it right up.
So our idea was to take our sticker set and put it in a little stocking, and so we ordered stockings, and they came in like micro size.
And so the sticker set didn't fit in the stocking. But what I did was I took a few little sprigs of greenery and some of our dried flowers and held them, fanned them in my hand so they laid kind of flat, and bound them with a little bit of just straight wire like this at the end, and then stuck it inside, and now they make really cute little ornament little ornaments or present toppers. Like these are just
Oh,
really
cute
adorable.
present toppers. That would be really good. Like when you're making your Yule logs and stuff for your neighbors.
Yeah, this is really.
That would be a super cute
So
touch.
these inexpensive, you can find these at the dollar store. Little items like this that you can add in some fresh detail. Smells wonderful, and it spreads the Christmas cheer. So lots of little ways that you can incorporate the dried flowers. Hand me that wreath.
You know how brave I am? I'm going to try to make one real quick here.
A wreath?
No, a little stocking thing.
Oh, okay.
You said all you did was put
I
this...
laid it in my hand. Here, I'll show you. I wasn't going to make anything.
Ah ha ha.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a few little bunches of stuff here.
So that's kind of the key here, people. Like, I think what a lot of, like, what I've learned watching Jess design and stuff is that, like, if you start with, like, little bunches of things, it's easier just than to, like, incorporate those into a bigger piece. So in theory, I could have made, like, almost like mini dried bouquets and stuck them in that, and it would have been really cute. But I didn't do that, so it still looks really cute.
You ready?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, so here's what I do. I hold my hand out and I use a piece of greenery that I lay flat in my hand. Okay? And then I add things on either side that I like. Okay, so that we start to get a little bit of a fan shape here.
Okay, I'm with you.
See?
I'm with you, kind of.
All right. And once I feel pretty good about the layers, oh, I like that. That's pretty.
Oh, okay. She just did it real quick.
Yep, you guys see that? It's real pretty. I take a piece of wire behind and bring it to the front, and then just pretend it's bread. Twist, twist, twist,
Oh,
twist,
pretend
twist,
it's
twist.
bread. Do you remember the
Twist,
band
twist,
Bread?
twist.
I loved Bread.
Nope, just cake.
Oh, just cake. Well, there's a band called Bread. They're older than Cake, and I have one of their vinyls, and I just love them.
I love that. So that's all I would do. I would then go back and kind of clean up my ends. Might tie a really cute little ribbon. I could have added dried flowers in and just layered those like this. If you
That's
get
what
to
I'm
the
doing.
end and you decide, man, that actually, you can go back with more wire or remember, we also have glue guns. They are our friends. One thing I will tell you about when you're layering in dried flowers that I like to do, when I have dried flower stems, I usually add a piece of fresh greenery if I'm working with that. It just kind of protects the stem where the wire will go over it, and it adds a little bit of extra cushion, so I can get it pretty tight without having to worry
Where'd that
about
white hair is?
snapping stems.
Okay, mine does not look as good as Jess's, but that is
Yeah, let me
kind of the whole idea, right?
We don't have snips.
Here, I have this.
It's fine.
These are great. Oh yeah, she cuts everything with her fingernails.
Yep, I'm good. So,
She cuts These are. This isn't terrible. Like it's
No,
not as good as Jess's, but I feel
really
like if I
cute.
put this on one of my friends' presents, they'd be like, "Oh my God, Stephanie, you are just like crafty."
you
as
can
all get."
totally use the holiday DIY box to crank out all of your teacher,
Heck
church,
yeah.
work, inner mom circle, friend gift toppers. And it looks nice. It adds a little touch. It means that you cared, you were thoughtful, you took the extra time.
See, look
and
at
they will
mine.
hold on to that. That's
And
really
where's yours?
cute.
Let me see Jess's.
Yours is
Okay.
actually better than mine. How about that?
I don't think so, but here they are. These are adorable. I love this. We should have just made this the whole topic. Good thing I did that. I started it.
Well, I
These are
hope
so
that
cute.
you see that there are lots of different ways that you can use our holiday DIY box to embellish your home, enhance your holidays. You can head over to hhfshop.com where you can buy our holiday DIY box among other floral related products fresh off of our family farm. Make sure you sign up for our newsletter. That way you can stay in the know of all the things we have going on at the farm. We look forward to seeing you next time on DWI with another way of incorporating flowers into your life.
Bye.
Bye.